Well, obviously, God doesn't consign every unbeliever to infinite damnation. I was an unbeliever at one time. Probably you were too. And God saved us and rescued us from perdition. So God's will is that every person be saved, and it breaks his heart that some people would repudiate his love, his grace, and his every effort to save them and separate themselves from God forever. I think it's been rightly said that God doesn't send anyone to hell. People send themselves by irrevocably separating themselves from God and his love. And it is the result of human rejection of God that God ultimately and finally gives them what they want.